What is up, y'all? So today I'm going to be doing another palette resurrection, but this is a very special palette resurrection because this palette resurrection is going to be kicking off an entire month of palette resurrections. So the whole point of this video and the whole point of this month is for me to go on a freaking no-buy, particularly when it comes to eyeshadow palettes, because I have so many. That is like my one area of weakness when it comes to makeup. It's eyeshadow palettes. Instead of buying all the new holiday releases, which, let's be real, I have no money for, I'm just going to work my way through my entire palette collection. Now, I am calling this 25 days of palette resurrections. Okay, I'm gonna call this 25 days of palettes. 25 days of my palette collection. 25 days of eyeshadow palettes. I don't know. I'll call it something, and the title will be the title of the entire series, okay? Thanks. I thought the title would just come to me, but it didn't. We are kicking off this palette resurrection series, 25 days of palette collections. 'Tis the season for buying shit we don't need. Like, I'm not a religious person, but I do kind of get into the commercial aspect of Christmas because it's fun. Not necessarily go out and buy a ton of stuff, but just I like the Christmas. I like the feeling that Christmas bestows on my soul. I like the lights in particular. I like the decorations. I like all the like festive crap. So yeah, I'm pretty much gonna go on a no-buy as far as like palettes go. I'm not really interested in any palettes at this moment except for one, which is the BH Cosmetics Zodiac 2 palette. But the kind of whole point of this month is to like go through my entire palette collection, use literally every palette that I own, one for each day, get it, 25 days of resurrecting palettes, and then maybe at the end of it be like, do I really want that Zodiac 2 palette? Like, do I think it would really add value to my collection that I already have, because I already have like an extensive collection of awesome eyeshadow palettes that I am extremely grateful for and already happy with. So yeah, I mean, at the end of the month, maybe I'll end up getting that as like a Christmas gift to myself, but to be perfectly honest, as a Christmas gift to myself, I want to add some more ear piercings because I have like 3 and I just don't even wear. I just don't want to buy, and I don't want to bring anything into my collection right now. It's just really annoying doing that. You know what I mean? So yeah, this is going to be a month all about appreciating the shit that I already have instead of just constantly bringing in more holiday junk that I don't need. That's what I'm getting at. That's what I've said 4,000 different ways. I feel like this season needs an antithesis. I feel like there needs to be a balance here. All I want for Christmas is for Kimberly Clark to come back to YouTube. Never coming back. She's never coming back. And in case you were wondering, yes, that does mean you will see me every day this month. And that doesn't mean I'm not gonna have other content peppered throughout the month. It's like my palette resurrection month is the Christmas tree, and my other content is the ornaments on it. Oh, and another thing I should mention is the fact that I actually don't own 25 palettes. So my other plan is to just double up on some palettes. You know what I mean? Like, especially if it's like a particularly huge palette and I can't make up my mind like what look I want to do, maybe I'll just double up on that for like the last few days because I don't own 25 palettes. I don't think. Maybe I do. Anyway, yeah, let's go ahead and get this tutorial started.